Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. Today's video will be Rotel dip. This is a very easy and simple recipe, and we have gourmet nacho, Monterey Jack queso, Rotel, diced tomatoes and green chilies, and we have our hamburger meat, and this will be everything that we'll be using for our Rotel dip. I hope y'all enjoy this video, and if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell and set post notifications to all. Let's get into this video. Alright crew, so we're going to start with some salt, and y'all already know I don't use a lot of salt. Then we're going to go with onion powder and just make it your own. Then we're going to go with garlic powder, ground black pepper, Flavor Bomb burger seasoning by Weber's, Louisiana hot sauce. And it's something about that hot sauce, woo, it just adds that special tang to the hamburger meat, and man, it be so good. And y'all already know how to cook hamburger meat, so I ain't gonna show all that. You cook your meat, then you drain it. So here we're just gonna add some more hot sauce. We're gonna go back in with the same seasonings that we added at the beginning, because you know sometimes when you drain your meat, a lot of the seasonings be in the grease of the meat. And if you're new to the channel and seeing this, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos and comment on the videos, and also click the bell and set post notifications to all. And when I tell you the family really loved this Rotel dip, it was really good and they really enjoyed it. And we're just gonna stir in our Rotel here. And in the words of my brother Young Reno, we're gonna keep it moving. So here's on to the Monterey Jack queso cheese. Then the Rico's gourmet nacho, and we're gonna stir that in. Then we're gonna go back in with our second can Rico's gourmet nacho.
Baby, it's you. What did you think? You could say whatever, and I would never.
After I added the second can of Rico's gourmet nacho cheese, I stirred everything well. Then I went in with a half a stick of butter, and shout out to the queen because she always adds butter to her cheese, and it just gives it an extra savory flavor like it's been cooking all day. And I put the top on it, and I allowed it to simmer until everything came together and the cheese was well melted together and hot. And here I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up as always. I truly hope y'all enjoyed this video. And don't forget to thumbs up the video and comment your thoughts on this video. Okay crew, so all our videos that we will be doing will be game day related. And here we go with a football presentation bowl. We're going to put our Rotel dip in there. We have our chips in the middle and that good old Rotel dip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you're not, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified with Cooking with Pops upload a video. I really appreciate y'all crew. And thanks for the love and thanks for the support. Y'all already know the saying. Pops catch y'all in the next video. Pops out. Peace.